Hello friends, this is Soft Reason. You are welcome. In this lesson, we'll be using cutting wall to create a window like this. Alright, so stay tuned. Let's start. You open a new template like this. You click on the wall, select this point, and then screw. We'll be using generic wall. This one to create a wall of length 3000 millimeter. This is equivalent to 3 meter. After which we select the command pick wall again, and then in the drop down menu we will select exterior glazing cutting wall, just like this, and then we will pick the first point, extend it in such a way that we have 1200, which is going to be the width of our window. You click on it just like this, after which select the command, activate the modify tab, and pick cut, click on the wall, and then click on the window to have this. After which we are going to dimension it like this. Just like this, and we'll click on this point to equalize this spacing. Just like this. Okay. Select the command, activate the architectural tab, select floor. I will be using generic floor 150 thickness, just like this. Okay, so I'll pick this rectangular tool, pick this first point, extend my hand towards this point direction, just like this. Now place this. I click on this, and I use hidden lines. I finished it, and I'll be having something of this kind. I pick this point to go to the 3D view, and this is what I'm having. Okay, so if you check the distance between this one and this one, you will notice that there is a space here. So you click on this point, come to this place, click on the wall, then pick this offset from origin. You have it 0, click on apply, so you can have something of this kind. Then the top constraint of the wall, we will having it to be 8000. Mind you, it's unconnected, so you click on apply to have something of this kind, just like this. Alright, so after which we will activate the south elevation, just like this, or we can also as well leave it in 3D. Okay, then we'll be using mullions grids. This one, select this, you rotate it in a way that it is visible enough. Select the center point at first, but before then I would like us to edit this cutting wall. And so for us to do that, select this, select the cutting wall, click on edit profile, navigate to the south direction, and then we'll pick this one, start end radius arc, and we extend our hands up to, let me say 500. Okay, from here pick this point, pick the second point, and extend it to this point, just like this. I click on this, I delete that, I trim this one and this one, so we have something of this kind. Click on finished it, go to million again, and you can be able to place this one like this, and we'll be placing it at spacing of 600. I want us to place that 600 spaces just like this. You can edit it here, type 600. Edit this point, 600, 600. Alright, so after having this done, navigate to the 3D, and you have something of this kind. So we will navigate to the architectural type. Then we'll be looking at this mullion. Click on it. Okay, and so in the edit type dialog, you make sure that you change this place to 25. Here 25, also this point 25, just like this. You also change the material of the mullion here. I'm using this material for the mullion. Click on apply. Then you select the grids to insert the frame, as well as this point. Select this point, just like this, to place all these frames. Okay, all right, we are having this frame being placed like this. So now we will be looking at adding a cross frame this way. Okay, a cross frame this way and this way. And for us to be able to achieve that, hold the tab, select this particular frame and delete it. Okay, just like that. Alright, so after which you can also select this one, also delete it, select this one and delete it, select this, select this and delete it. So you're having something like this. So with this now you can be able to hold the tab key, just tap it once, you'll be able to select this one, just like this. Okay, so this is the particular sector here, okay, as the system panel. Okay, so after which you will now go to the architectural tab and then enable the generic model. Click on OK. OK again. We are using extrusion, so we will be setting plane. So you click this point to pick a plane. So you hold this key, press the tab key again, so you can be able to select this plane. So I believe that we are able to select the face of this plane. Okay, so we navigate to the south, and then we will be using line to start from this point to this point. After we do an offset of 30 this way, 30 that way, and we may adjust this a little bit, just like this, and we delete this. Okay, so for us to be able to join this line together at this grid line, we will use a pick line. Select this line, and you will try to select this line, and you find it difficult, hold down the tab key, just press it. Okay, just like this, so you can be able to select it. After which, pick on the trim tool So you can trim this to this one. Sorry, just undo that. You're trimming this to this, like this. Okay, this to this one to this one. Coming to this point, trim this one to this one, this one to this one. Modify, select all of this. You mirror, pick this point to mirror it this way, just like this. Okay, if you check the extrusion, it is 25 mm. Click on finished. Okay, there is a place that is not properly joined here. Okay, that line seems to be double. Okay, just like this. Still the same thing. So what you need to do here is just select this line and be able to adjust it this way, like this. Okay, so after which you just have to trim this to this, trim this one to this one, and pick a line again, another one, this point to this point. Select it and adjust it to this way, just like this. Then trim it. Okay, so I try to finish and see it is finished now. Go to the 3D. If you come down, yeah, having it on the other face. Finish the instruction. Notice that it is showing on this face, instead of the other face. So what we need to do is select it, go to edit, select the instruction again, then you try to add minus sign here, right, to bring it to this face, just like this. Alright, so you go back, increase this to 50. So you're having something of this kind. Okay, if you hold it here, you can also adjust it. Okay, but I think this will be okay. Click on finished to finish it, and then if you check it like this is what you're having. So after you finish like this, you go back to the architectural tab, you use mullion and be able to pick this and find a way to pick this one, trying to select the line like this. So that's all, just like this. Okay, so this is it. You just deselect this, try to edit this material by selecting just like this, and then click on edit, select it again, scroll down, come to this point, edit the material, choose this gypsum word board like this, apply, and you are good to go. Okay, so this is how you can actually create this pattern of drop down mirror. Okay, so if you want to add material here, if I should go to this paint, can pick this one, brick, be able to select this face to add the brick, turn it this way, select here. Alright, if I go to the realistic view, let me check. So the realistic view, this is what you have. Click on done. We can decide to go to the plan view and then put a tree here. Okay, go to the plan view like this, and then architectural tab, component, place component. Go to edit component and then you load in component. Not that one. You close this, not this point, sorry. Come to massing and site component. You check D. Okay, we'll consider 1.2 as the height of this, so you place it here. Select this, go back to the 3D. If you go back to 3D, you have something of this kind. Okay, so you can let's just do a rendering. So I want to change from this realistic to shaded, just like this, so we can render. So I click on this render icon. I try to set my region. I move this close to this point and this one close to this, just like this. And I'll be using very few cloud for my background. Okay, I'll be considering 600 dpi. Okay, and then I'll click on render. Like this. I'm going to sit like this. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this lesson. I believe you have learned one or two things. Bye for now.